Maulana Jalaluddin Muhammad Rumi was a mystical 13th century Persian Sufi poet, jurist and theologian. He believed in the use of music, poetry and dancing as a path for reaching the ultimate reality. Rumi's importance is considered to transcend national and ethnic borders. The Persian world, which once extended from Turkey to India, looks upon Rumi as one of the greatest spiritual poets in history. He has had a significant influence on the Persian and Turkish literature. Over the last about 100 years, Rumi's poetry has spread from the Islamic world and into the Western world. The lyrical beauty of his outpourings of love for the divine have caught up the imagination of the West, which have helped to make him one of the most popular poets in America and some other countries. This is so because Rumi's poetry embraces all cultures, nationalities and mythologies. People of all denominations read the poetry of Rumi without feeling as though he is imposing any orthodox beliefs upon them. Rumi, in fact, integrates themes and myths from the multiple religious traditions into a universal expression of divine love. His writings resound with tolerance, goodness, charity, understanding, fellowship, and awareness through love. In doing so, he does not offend anyone, but includes everyone. The world of Rumi is neither exclusively the world of a Sufi nor the world of any religious denomination. It is the highest state of a human being, a fully evolved human. The writings of Rumi are timeless and quite relevant even today. Therein lies the importance of Rumi, especially in the context of modern world, where the need of this understanding is felt all the more. I quote one or two of his quotes. I'm quoting the Rumi, love is from the infinite and will remain until eternity. The seeker of love escapes the chains of birth and death. Unquote. Again he says, there is nothing outside of yourself. Look within. Everything you want is there. You are that. Unquote. Rumi the message of Maulana Rumi, delivered over 700 years ago, is quite relevant today. Now that we are celebrating his birth anniversary, when we have to remember that mankind in the vastly changed scenario is still striving to find common grounds of meeting. The essence of all major religions is to reach God, or the truth, or the absolute reality. All the religions are like different rivers flowing into the same sea. They may have different ways, but their destination is the same. In this context, Maulana Rumi's message is extremely relevant as it can feed a dearth of spiritualism at present experienced by mankind. Thank you.